And then graphs later. Water flood, no. Fluid properties, this is important. Okay, first for the relative permeability. As you can see, we have two regions. All right, which one? This one, saturation region. So for region 1, we will use this package of relative permeability. And for the region 2, the bottom zone, we will use this one, which actually the same. Okay, so basically no issue, right? Same. Both for the water oil and gas oil. And this is the numerical values. And you can input this data if you go to the props and then relative permeability here. So basically for relative permeability water oil, we are going to use Cori function. And if we go here, this one, so you can see the numerical values. I'm going to show you the file. So here 1.2, 0.2, I mean this one 0.2. And then you can follow the number 1, 0.2, 0.2, 1, 1, right? And then 4, 4, and then -1. So basically for SWS, SWL, minimal water saturation 0.2, you input here, and so on and so forth. This is for the first region, and this is for the second region. Okay, you can see region number 1 and 2, which actually if you check the values here, the same. So basically it's just one zone. And then here, RP, relative permeability gas oil, again we will use Cori function. Thus the keyword Corigo and Coriwo, and these are the numerical values. See, 0, 0.8, you can see there, 0.05, and so on and so forth. Okay, perfecto. And then rock is, we can take this value from props and here, props. Okay, so the rock compressibility, the keyword is rock, and the value is 100 for pressure and 9 to the power of -5 for the rock compressibility. And then this is very important, the solubility. Okay, the solubility. Because we are dealing with CO2 dissolution, you need to provide the solubility, right? The solubility of CO2 into the brine. And this is the table. We have provided the model with first the keyword and the values. You need to use, maybe measurement from laboratory, or maybe you can just take from literature and then you input it here. Just make sure you are in the range of working pressure. Like in this case, we have input for 1 up to 1013 because we are playing with that pressure during the simulation. Okay, so what else? This ncoms, because we are only dealing with one component, one compositional component to be exact, which is CO2. And then here we want to take the PVT data from this. We will check this file again later. .inc. This is keyword for rock compressibility, and this is for the relative permeability, the one that we just looked previously, checked solubly. Okay, that's it for the props. Okay, and then we will go back and check for the PVT.